How to fix can't be invited as a collaborator yet Instagram problem. If you're wondering how to fix can't be invited as a collaborator yet Instagram problem, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. And you can do that by going to your Play Store and typing Instagram and clicking on this update option right here. Now, if that doesn't work, you can always go to Instagram. You can always long press on Instagram, and at the very bottom, you'll see app info. So where it says clear data, go ahead and click on clear data and click on clear cache. Now, if that doesn't work, go ahead to your Instagram, go to your profile at the very bottom right corner, and then click on the three bars right here, and then go to settings. So over here, you'll see privacy. So click on privacy and make sure that your account is not a private account. Otherwise, you won't be able to be added as a collaborator. So if it is a private account, make sure that it is turned gray as it is shown here. So next thing you want to do is you'll see post right here. So click on post, and where it says who can tag you, make sure that it is on everyone and not only to people you follow or no one. And underneath tag post, you'll see manually approved tags. So if you click on that, make sure that this is also not turned green. And if there are any pending tags of someone trying to add you as a collaborator, then that should be shown here as well. So if none of these work, you can always go back and then click on the help button right here. So at the very top, you'll see report a problem. So you can just shake your phone where you saw the problem to report it if that is enabled in your phone, or you can just go ahead without shaking. So I'm just going to go ahead without shaking. And if you want to include this logs and diagnostic, you can do that. I'm just going to press down include and continue. So go ahead and upload a screenshot by going to this upload button at the very bottom left corner. And once you do that, explain what is not working. So you can just write, I am not able to be invited as a collaborator. Please help me solve this as soon as possible. And once you type your message and press on uploading your screenshot, then you can just go ahead and press send at the top right corner. And then your problem should be solved within a few days. So that is how to fix can't be invited as a collaborator yet Instagram problem.